Right, animals that don't sound like they... What the hell? Oh, that's nice. Little meows. Oh, yo, that look... Why does that feel like... What is with the... What's the tongue going on with the tongue? Is that how koalas sound? They sound like pigs. What in the Tyrannosaurus Rex? What's a hyrax? That looks like an aggressive squirrel. Didn't take nothing. Leave me alone. It just sounds like a balloon being deflated, doesn't it? That sounds like an alarm. Like a proper alarm. I thought that said Marmite then. It's just like an aggressive whistle. What? Go birds, I guess.